was Wilson sitting at the bank at Great Yarmouth at Marsden on a day ticket water, thoroughly pissed off, waiting for the first fish of the day. As you can see, Gary's got a fine technique. He's set up well. I would stay here and be filming Gary's float, but I don't think I've got enough film on the camera to last. And we're back at Wilson, half hour later. It's switched to sweet corn, still full. He's persevering. Back in time, that's happened to me.
Yeah, Wilson fucking about with a pike. That's what I'm trying to do. Gotcha! Now, Wilson is dead scared of pike, as you can see.
It's Gary taking the hook out of the pike, because Steve was bottling his silk.
Wilson's got no bottle, so...
You know what, I think just as I cast out, right, Gal?
Aye?
Just as I cast out, he see the roach and come right in for it and jumps out the water.
Alright. On the Fern River.
We're on the River Fern.
This is Wilson and Wilson. McLean River fishing videos. Very nice morning. Bit taking cold, but other than that, not too bad.
Right.
Well, it's 6 o'clock in the morning. Let's walk to down to Gary and see how Gary... Yes, mate.
And the lazy believers are all still in bed. We went out for 4 hours fishing, promised a breakfast, nothing. But then you can't believe it, which
Morning, Sarah.
Here we are at the River Fern with Bee underwater and the girls. Now you can see it from here. Look, you can't see a lot of the top, darling, because it's Ripley. I need Jack when we see the big sharks.
Where's the picture?
I There's telepathic messages, the stimulation, copy kettle, these types of picture. I can stick out on. No.
No, bingo, this is how bit. This is how good we was on holiday. Look, you've got to show how good we was on.
You don't get me on the phone, my hair ain't done much. You haven't? No. What are you after, Salty?
Laura, show Gary your nails. Show your nails.
I ain't done that. Stop the leak off.
On the lonely road, is that someday you'll get my hopes, my dreams come true. My one and only you. No one will ever know. Dreams come true. My life I give for you. My heart awaiting you.
Come on, Rachel, give it a little bit of enthusiasm. Come on, give them applause. Yes, I think any second now. Any second now. Come on, give me that one on there. Yes, come on, hey! What was that? Hey! Right, hold on still, so I want to find a second and third place. Come on, Monica. Bobbing up and down like this. Keep going, keep pumping hard. You know what it sounds like, pumping up and down hard? Come on, Monica, keep pumping. I want to see that balloon pop. The first one to pop it. Hold on tight, keep it going. Give Monica a donkey then you know. Oh, that's what it's all about. Here we go again. He got left behind. Kiss me in the middle. Oh, kiss me in the middle. And these bare arms stretched right. You put your left side in, your left side out. In, out, in, out. Shoot me in the butt. You do then you do. Oh, that's what it's all about. Oh, kiss me. He's not getting left behind this time. Oh, kiss me in the middle. Oh, kiss me in the middle. And these bare arms stretched right. Kiss me in the middle.
Kim.
Oh, kiss me in the middle. And these bare arms stretched right. This is the big one. You put your head in, head out, in, and shake it all about. Here's one special for ladies. Don't worry about us, you haven't been forgotten. Oh no. Ladies, concentrate. You put your boobies in. Right in. She is one. Hang on. We'll start that again. You put your boobies in.
was afraid to come out in the open, and so a blanket around her she wore. She was afraid to come out in the open, and so she sat bundled up on the shore.
2, 3, 4, tell people what you want.
It was an itsy bitsy teeny weeny yellow polka dot bikini that she wore for the first time today. An itsy bitsy teeny weeny yellow polka dot bikini, so innocent.
Tim, do the dance.
Trust me,